Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. My name is Adyasha Nayak and today I have something to prevent tanning. Tanning is basically caused due to the exposure of UV rays from the sun which damages the skin cells. In order to prevent further damage, the skin produces melanin which causes tanning. Tanning is something which happens in our day-to-day life due to our outdoor activities. If you won't take good care of your skin, then it becomes really very hard to get rid of it. So I have a very good DIY which will help you in preventing tanning. Let me first show you the ingredients and then we will get into the making process. So let's get started.
Ingredients you will need are atta, besan, rose water as a mixing agent and tomato juice. Benefits of the mask: helps to remove tan, evens out skin tone, helps to control excess sebum secretion, makes skin glowing, bright, fresh and soft. Because wheat flour or atta reduces dark spots and melanin production, reduces acne and pulls out toxins, improves the texture of the skin, makes skin bright and fresh, is best for oily skin. Next comes gram flour or besan, which helps to reduce tan by dealing with discoloration and pigmentation, acts as a gentle body scrub, reduces oiliness and pimples, lightens and brightens skin, removes facial hair as well with regular use. Then comes rose water, which is the mixing agent, which helps skin maintain its pH balance, makes skin glow with regular use, helps minimize pores, controls excess sebum production. And then the last one, which makes the face mask complete, is the tomato juice. It's loaded with antioxidants which deals with uneven skin tone, dark spots, pigmentation and controls sebum production, which reduces open pores and blackheads, acts as a natural astringent, that means improves skin elasticity or makes skin tight, acts as a good sun protection factor. You shall need 1 spoon of atta or wheat flour and then 1 spoon of besan or gram flour, basically in 1:1 ratio, and then take 1 to 2 spoons of rose water. Here I am using the Khadi Naturals rose water. It's been 2 years I'm using this rose water. I'm just obsessed with this one in particular. And at last, squeeze a tomato juice from a half of small sized tomato. And now just mix it properly into a smooth fine paste. Just make sure there are no lumps left out. You can see the thickness over here. It should be this thick in consistency. Wash your face at first before application. Here I am just patting to remove excess water after washing, as I am gonna apply on a damp face. Face mask glides smoothly and evenly on damp skin actually. Lie evenly all over your face and neck. By the way, you can also take steam before application, as steaming opens up the pores and helps to soak in the benefits of ingredients deeply. So, apply it evenly all over your face and neck and then just wait for 15 minutes. This is how the mask looks like after it dries out. Wash off while scrubbing simultaneously. मतलब मास्क ड्राई हो जाता है ना, तो जेंटली स्क्रब करते करते मास्क निकाल लो. उस तरीके से वो एक्सफोलिएट भी करता है स्किन को. एंड देन पैट ड्राई योर फेस फॉर नेक्स्ट स्टेप. You can notice how clean and fresh my skin looks. रोज वाटर की वजह से एक हल्का सा ग्लो भी मिलता है आफ्टर वॉश. Now it's time for moisturization. Here I'm applying the serum. It's from Vit Citrus. This serum is called Vit Citrus Serum. This is basically a vitamin C and vitamin E UV protection serum. I will leave a link to it in the description box below in case you will be interested. Spread it evenly and massage until it gets absorbed into your skin. Massage it properly for best results. Do follow this routine mainly at night. In this way, your skin will get more time to heal and repair within itself. Do it in the neck as well. As I said earlier, this will help your neck to get rid of all those lines and wrinkles as well. And now the last step, that's the moisturizer. For moisturizer, I'm using the Good Vibes Rosy Face Gel. I basically use face gels or gel based moisturizers as I have oily skin. Repeat the same steps as the serum. First spread out evenly and then massage until it gets absorbed. Massage it properly, take your time. If you have extra moisturizer, if you take extra moisturizer, apply the excess to that on your other concerned parts like your elbow, hand, arms. Apply as a hand cream as well. This will help you with dealing other issues over there as well. The end results will be really very amazing. You will see later in the video. Over here you can see it looks so fresh and moisturized and felt so clean.
That's it for today's video. Do try out and let me know in the comment section below. I hope it will be a helpful one. Thank you so much for watching.